Hi, today I'm going to talk about chakra meditation. Chakras are energy points in our body. They are supposed to stay open and aligned as they correspond to bundle of nerves, major organs and areas of our energetic body that affect our emotional and physical well-being. So if the chakras are closed and sullied and muddied, we get into various kind of emotional and physical issues. Now each of these 7 major chakras has a corresponding name, color, sense organ, 5 elements, and specific area of the spine from the sacrum to the Sahasrara and health focus. So chakras affect our casual, subtle, and gross bodies and everything that we do. Each of these major chakras vibrate at different rates and each will absorb energy harmonically related to their own natural frequency. The chakras absorb energy from the environment. The nadis will then direct this energy to the major organs. Now, chakras are powered by the nadis, and we talk about the 3 main nadis, Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna. So 3 chakras are powered by Ida and 3 are powered by Pingala. What happens when my either of this Ida or Pingala is overactive or underactive? How do I balance it? By identifying during the course when you do the chakra meditation with me, understanding that Ida is rest basically and Pingala is action. This is just one element I've given you. There are a lot more to learn in this. And like I said, if supposing your Pingala is not active, it is underactive, then your Muladhara, the base chakra, the foundation itself becomes underactive. Thereby, this fear, insecurity, we will be stranded there itself with roti, kapda and makan and will not be able to move forward. So the idea is to identify all these things, learn about the chakras, about the Ida Pingala. How do we balance it? How do we take our energy from Muladhara to Sahasrara? So it's all about how do I balance my personal, professional growth and achieve that sense of serenity and peace and awareness. So join me on this journey of chakra meditation happening this Saturday, Sunday, that is tomorrow and day after, 15th and 16th May. You can contact me at 9940016374. Thank you so much. I'm Shamla Jairam Sharma.